Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's Junie at 615, and I am back with the July edition of the Izzy and Liv Brown Sugar Box. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so very much for joining. If you are a returning subscriber, then you already know about this box. It is a subscription box that is curated for women of color, black women specifically. Each month contains several full-size items, and there is a music playlist that is included along with several other little extras. Sometimes there's a discount code. Sometimes there is an extra item. Sometimes different things are included. This is the July box, and this is what it looks like. And it looks like here on the top is something that I've been looking for but hadn't yet purchased. Let's see if I can find the magazine in here to give me all of the goods. So this is, oh, that's pretty. That is the cover of this month's magazine. The playlist is here on the back. Pictures of brown sugar babes in prior box gear. And then in the interior, this month's theme is Face Card Never Declines Edition. It has a $120 retail value. So there's the theme. They were printing these on the front, but now we're getting artwork every month that can actually be framed if you choose. And then each of the items on the interior. So the first item is the Spa Headband and Wristlet Set, which has a $15 retail value. There are 4 different options that are available, and it includes the Spa Headband, and it is in this dark colorway with purple in it, and it's Izzy and Liv branded there in the interior. There are the wristbands so that when you're washing your face at the sink, the water doesn't run all down your arms. And then the last one is an actual headband. So those are the 3 pieces in the headband and wristlet spa set. The next item is a foam facial cleaner with scrub brush applicator, and it has a $22 retail value. I have seen these all over social media. The ones on social media actually I think are brightening with turmeric. And this one is actually cucumber, which is pH balanced for a deep face cleanse. So there's cucumber, and there were a total of 3 variety. There is the cucumber, there is a papaya, and a green tea scented option. So just need to check the ingredients. It does have fragrance. It's listed way down here on the bottom of the ingredient list, but it's a relatively short ingredient list. And you can see there is the brush, so you pump so that the cleanser comes up and then can manually cleanse the skin. So that is that one. The next item is the Purifying Mud Mask Stick. And this one is a lavender mud stick. And this says, treat your skin to a spa-like experience with these convenient mud mask sticks. Each stick provides deep cleansing, moisturizing, and nourishing benefits tailored to your skin's needs. There were 4 different options available, and they are listed at $25 retail value. Looks like there might have been a charcoal, maybe another green tea, and I don't know, the blue one. Not sure what the blue one is. Maybe a hydrating or something. So that's what my stick looks like. The next item is reusable makeup remover pads. It's 5 cleaning pads. This I am excited about because I'm seeing some of the patterns that are listed, and they have a $12 retail value. I think these are going to be fashioned after the small versions of the makeup eraser, and there are in fact 5, and these 5 include some of the prior, looks like prior or new patterns. There's the Culture Confident Soul. There's that one. And this is this one. And they all have the white back for makeup removal. So I'm excited about these. They will go great with the spa set. And I actually don't own any of those. So I'm curious to see how they're going to work, because these are supposed to just, with water, remove even the most stubborn makeup. So I'm going to give them a wash. This is hand or machine wash. Reusable pads can get 100 uses. They are cotton and polyester. It says use these pads to apply water, your cleanser, micellar water, toner, or other skincare products with ease. Remove them with ease. So that's that. The next item is a $20 retail value, and it is a 3-inch LED compact mirror. And each one of the mirror exteriors is also different. It appears to be quite a few options. It has the power cord, and then the actual mirror. That's what this one looks like. And there we go with the mirror. All right, so that is that. I don't, is it just a tap on? It does have tap on here at the bottom. And there we have, there we go. Okay. All right, so the next item is volume 4 of the Brown Sugar Babes Guide to Ultimate Skincare and Body Care. So I've really enjoyed these little adventure guides. Let me get this put in here. Hopefully it's going to give me some ideas on how to amp up my self-care days. So here is what this one looks like, and it says a Brown Sugar Babes Guide to Ultimate Skincare. This is volume 4, and here, this is the welcome, how to identify your skin type is this first one. The next one is natural ingredients for melanin-rich skin and their benefits. So they talk about shea butter, coconut oil, and tea tree oil. Natural ingredients, continued aloe vera, honey, and turmeric. Establish a nighttime skincare routine that should consist of cleansing, toning, and treating. Moisturize, eye cream, and overnight mask is optional. It has the affirmations for the routines. And then it talks about the importance of sleep, exfoliation for the body, moisturizing and sun protection. I just love these. Hydration. I'm always talking about water over here with my beauty stuff. Massage and some of the benefits of the different motions, frequency, and another affirmation. Dry brushing, I love it. I have fallen in love with it. Diet, how that plays out in your skin. Exercise. Then there is a DIY treatment for calming, which is aloe vera and cucumber gel. So for the face, could be used for the body as well. Then there is another DIY brightening, which consists of turmeric and yogurt. There's an exfoliating recipe for a brown sugar scrub. Hydrating honey and oatmeal mask. That sounds amazing. A shea butter body cream. So a bunch of DIY so that you can actually get the activity and know what ingredients are going into your products. And then there's some advanced skincare solutions around serums, retinoids, chemical peels, microneedling, hydroquinone, and then a few others. And then what to do with your skin winter, spring, summer, fall. So I am loving these. This one actually has a $6 retail value. I have all of the others in my stash. And then the last item is the t-shirt for this month, which is a $25 retail value. Only one color option available, which I am completely fine with. I don't think I have a shirt in this color. And it simply says melanin on the front. And here, if I can get the shoulder. That is what it looks like, and it is a V-neck tee. So there it is, melanin, and then you've got your crown right here in the center. So I love, love, love this one. It was $120 retail value. Let me know which of these items is your favorite item from this month. Thank you so very much for watching. Take care.